Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do the photo swipe trend on TikTok. If you want to follow the photo swipe trend on TikTok, you have to follow the same procedure. So first of all, you have to open up your TikTok application. When you will open it now, you have to click on the plus icon. When you will click on this plus icon from the main menu, after that click on the upload. And it will redirect you to gallery. Now go to the photos, select your pictures. From the gallery and you will see a swipe trend. Here now select any music, and once you will do it, after that you can simply post it on the TikTok. So this was the process by which you can do the photo swipe trend on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.